the Hitler and his activities, the inhuman activities, very much known by his Holocaust against the Jews, and also the communists can be considered, because they're all taken into the concentration camp. Such a horrible situation where the people died after different types of tortures. The important footstep of Hitler can be visible through the Enabling Act of March 3rd of 1933. Through this act, it established the dictatorship in Germany, and all powers were vested in the hands of Hitler. And the all political parties and trade unions were banned except Nazi and its affiliates. The state established complete control over the economy, media, army, and judiciary. So all powers in the hands of the Hitler and the state. Surveillance and security forces were created to control and order society in the ways that the Nazis wanted. The already existing regular police in green uniform or the stormtroopers are also included, the Gestapo, the secret state police, and the criminal police and the security service. The reconstruction of the country was very crucial, especially the economic unemployment. All activities are in front of the economists, but it was handed over into the famous economist Hjalmar Schacht. The project, especially by the Hjalmar Schacht, resulted the superhighways and people's car Volkswagen. It was a dream of the workers to have a car, that is a Volkswagen, and it is a populous car. It is produced for the people, and it was a popular activities, a popular projects produced by the country and to the government. But in 1933, the nation pulled out from the League of Nations. League of Nations, which we know that it is after as a result of the First World War. It was an organization tried to produce the peace among the countries, and it was after as a result of First World War. In 1936, it reoccupied, the country reoccupied the Rhineland, and in 1938 it integrated Austria and Germany under the slogan "One people, one empire, one leader." But these activities were crucially observed by many other countries, like even England, but they had produced an unspoken support, because they felt that the Versailles verdict was very harsh to these Germans. See, the changes also happened to the Hitler and its development. Schacht advised the Hitler against the investing hugely in rearmament, because economy was running on deficit financing. So the financial situation of the country is very much advised to Hitler, but not accepted. So he was deported, he was sent out from the country, and Hitler considered war as a way of approaching economic crisis. Resources has to be accumulated through the expansion of territory. So this was the consideration of Hitler when he approached into the war. In 1939, Germany invaded Poland. So this was the beginning of the Second World War. Now we discuss something about the Second World War. Now we discuss about the Second World War in short. The two important groups were in constant tug, especially the Germany, Japan, and Italy, known as Axis power. England, France, and China, another group, that is Allied power. So in 1940, The tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy, and Japan in order to strengthen the Hitler's claim that to have an international power. In 1941, Hitler attacked Soviet Union. So this was a miserable failure of the Hitler. So, but see the prominent figure, Soviet Union and USA were not ready to participate in this war, but they were taken into this war. USA resisted the involvement in war, but the Japan attacked the Pearl Harbor, one of the naval base of US in Hawaii Island. Then, as a result, US also entered into the Second World War. As we know, the war ended with Hitler's defeat, and US dropped the atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So this was a miserable ending of the World War, and it also made destructions in the world.